you're welcome. This is another project video. In this video, let us understand how to make highway construction. So here we know, like when you construct an highway, so the project has to be approved, and also there are repair works, so the engineer has to create the record and then it has to be approved, then the work has to be started. So in order to manage the highways, here we are making a project. So it's a web application project, and we'll show you all the details like how you can make this project step by step, and we'll show the demo in ASP.NET with C# and backend as a SQL server. So we all know, like, you need to do a different project if you're doing a computer science course like BE or BCA or any other course. For that you require a different title. So here this is also one title, so where it talk about highways, what are the highways are there, and how to repair or how to make a new projects, how it has to be get approved. All this will be discussed here, and we have a proper provision to enter the data also. So we'll show you this all step by step. First, let us look at what are the modules are required for this project. So now when the module is concerned, so generally all the web application project can have an admin module. So admin is the company, or this is the main organization who will take care. Then here we have the employees, so therefore employees can enter the details, like, or they can initiate the initial plans. Then there is called the admin employees who has to give the approval, or these are the high level executives, so we'll go on to give the approval for the same. So in the admin, what we can do is we can create the state details, district details, right? Then national highway details, which are the national highways, that is. Then you can create the employees. So employee can log in. Now here they can raise the new project. So here is a new construction or new road details. And list of the same. So what are the entries are done, so that you can list. Apart from this, you can also see the national highways, state highways, and all they can able to view it. But main thing is, whenever there is a new opportunity or new requirement, they need to enter all the details and the corresponding list they can do. Now what are the entries are done here, new road details, that will go to admin approval. So this is a new road list. So here they need to approve this. So when they approve, so this project can go up, and then someone has to do this particular project. If it's not approved here, so that will still pending, and then it will send back to you, and then need to remodify this, and then again they enter the new data, and then you have to send to the admin employee. So this is a total different project than the regular one. So therefore here mainly we're talking about the road construction and the repair of roads. These are things will be covered in this project. Let's see the demo, how the whole thing works. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and also right click on IBLX tutorials and then open in the new tab. So here we'll have a lot of project videos. So when you have free time, please watch them. So they'll help you for your curriculum as well as for your job. So please try to do some of these projects. So definitely you'll have a good experience in that time, and that experience really count for your job selection. Therefore watch videos, understand the whole concept and plan it. So after watching 3-4 videos, probably you can come out with the new ideas and you need to implement that. So that will create an experience. So therefore sitting at home, you can gain the experience. In IT, that experience is really valued. Therefore don't miss it. So when you have free time, just browse the videos. We also explain like how to make the project step by step. You can do that also. That will give you more mileage. Fine. Now we'll come back to this video. So here we talk about road construction. So this is the admin main page. So here are the options for the admin main: state, district, taluk, qualification, destination, employee details. Then you can create the national highways, state highways, main roads, road work list, and the work approved list, and then you can log out. Then employee can log in. Here they can create the road works entry. So these are the main thing. And the employee too, they need to give the approval. So here what are the works to be approved, that list will be there here, and once they approved that it become approved list, then the work can start. So this is the main concept of this project. Okay, so you can run the project here. So you can run from here. So here is the main page, we can get in. So this is admin login. So here are the admin options. Okay, so next for employees, so survey engineer. So here is a survey engineer login. So if you enter the wrong entry, so it won't work actually. Fine. So user ID, we have E1 and the corresponding password. So it logs in here. As I told already, here you can see the national highways. What are the national highways are there, and state highways. That list also will come. So because all this has to be entered in the admin. Okay, national highways. So you have to fill up all the details here. That will come. So state highways, you need to fill all the detail. So what are the entries we have done here? So that entries will come over there. Main road list, all will be there. Then road works entries. So here road type, so is a national highway. So NH7. So this was the only one which is there. So now it's a works title. Okay. So then you write on bridge construction. At 50 kilometer point. So this is the nature of work. So they need to write complete details here. Then here is the estimated cost. So it's around 50 lakh rupees. So save. The record is saved. Now this has to be approved by the next level. So in order to approve this, you have to copy this again, the main address. You have to go to one more tab, press enter key, and here you can get in. Then you have to go to admin employee. So we'll have the authority to give the approval. So now you can see that road up to be approved. So here is the list. We can select it. So once you select, all the details is there, then the approved amount. So if you recalculate and the amount is different now, let's say 48 lakh, then we can approve this with this price. Then road workout approved list. So here is the approved list. Even now the road work list, even here also the list is available, and here then the admin also you can able to see work approved list. What are the works approved? That list even admin can able to view it. So therefore three modules. One is admin module, employee one module or first level employee module, and approval employee module. So whereas here the main thing is they need to create the work. What are the works has to be done? They need to enter here, and admin employees has to check all the details and they need to give the approval. Once they give the approval, so that is ready, then the work can be awarded to the contractors, and the contractors will start the work. So this is the main concept of this project. Hope you understand the concept. So please try this. Okay, thank you.